letter. In that letter, he lied. And then that's what brought forth the perjury. It was never perjury in the beginning. It was perjury after his response.
First of all, do you understand what perjury is?
Yes, I understand perjury is a lie. I know what bottom line is. You said it's a criminal offense, so I will send it to circuit court. Are we done here?
No, you don't understand, ma'am. You don't understand.
Are we done here? Are we done here?
Perjury is what perjury means.
Sheldon, little bootleg ass studio.
What's the motherfucking deal, man? Welcome back to Sheldon's bootleg ass studio, where you come to kick it, vibe out, and shoot the shit with Sheldon. Say if you ain't subscribed to the channel by now, you doing myself and yourself a disservice. Go ahead, hit the subscribe button, hit that like button, and tap that notification bell as well. That way you are amongst those who are notified as soon as I release new content. Also, don't be shy, drop me some in that comment section. That way I can familiarize myself with you and recognize who you are as we are reacting to these videos. And I appreciate all my viewers. So if you drop me some in the comment section and I see it, I will respond to it. So you might want to be on your best behavior, because if you're a troll, I get on your dog ass indubitably. Video today, man, we got woman sues a man over a bad first date, then goes off on the judge after her definition of perjury. So let's see what's going down in this video, man. Shout out to my boy Dizzle Beast. He sent me this thing, you know what I'm saying? And ought to be a pretty good one, because who sues over a bad date, man? These entitled motherfuckers of today, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, without further ado, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. We finna jump up in this content. I'm gonna light up my situation while you're doing so. You did what I mean. Make sure you put a wet towel under the door. Stuff that bad boy under the door, because it's gonna get smoky in it, bit. You did. Alright, you hit that like button, you hit that subscribe button. Finna jump in this thing red now.
If you ain't fucking with my nigga Sheldon, nigga, fuck you. Yeah.
I'm looking here. You know, what is it? Intentional infliction of emotional distress?
Yes.
Is that the claim?
Yes, okay. It is.
That's not something that's really justiciable in district court.
I'm sorry. I can't hear you.
Hold on.
I'm looking here. You know, what is it? Intentional infliction of emotional distress?
Yes.
Intentional what of emotional distress?
I'm looking here. You know, what is it? Intentional infliction of emotional distress?
Yes.
Is that the claim?
Yes, okay. It is.
Y'all hear me out in the comment section. You said intentional what of emotional distress? I didn't catch that part.
That's not something that's really justiciable in district court.
I'm sorry. I can't hear you.
You heard him.
I said that's not something that's justiciable.
Justiciable. So justice. That's not justiciable. Okay, got it. He over there talking about some yes. Don't celebrate too early though, my G. You never know. He just said something about you can have to bring it up in a different kind of court. Yeah, so hold off on the celebrations.
Court. That has to be brought in circuit court.
So you said it's not permissible in district court. It has to be taken to circuit court?
That's an equitable action, yes. Mr. Jordan, let me just...
He's trying to explain that she can't sue for intentional infliction of emotional pain in district court, okay? Wow.
So you said it's not permissible in district court. It has to be taken to circuit court?
That's an equitable action, yes.
That's an equitable action, man. Don't you hate when motherfuckers just nerd you up? Like, this is not my profession. I need you to talk to me like somebody who didn't go to school for 8 years to do this shit. You understand what I'm saying? Now, equitable, I'm sure that a lot of people could process what that mean, but at the same time, why are you using these big old fancy colorful words, man? This is a normal person you're talking to. You're not talking to a lawyer or someone who's an attorney. I hate when they just nerd you out. You know what I'm saying? Like the trajectory of the projection of the shot equals the equilateral of the Pythagorean theorem. And gosh,
Mr. Jordan, let me just ask you this. Are you planning to represent yourself on this?
I to be honest with you, sir, I thought this was just going to be thrown out. It was, we had a date, one date, and nothing else after that. And now I'm being sued for $10,000.
whoa!
I don't.
For 10 bands? That's a hell of an expensive date for real. Like it done say, yeah, that's a lot. What did he do? Like, damn, did he do something? Did he try to drop something in your drink you don't want us to speak on there? Did he try to, you know what I'm saying, take something from you if y'all get my drift? 10 racks for a bad date?
See how
That
this
bad
is
business.
going to go any further. I think it's a waste of your time.
Mm-hmm.
The problem is this. You know, if you think it should be dismissed, you know, you need to file the appropriate motion. You need to file a motion to ask for that.
In that letter, he lied. And then that's what brought forth the perjury. It was never perjury in the beginning. It was perjury after his response.
She trying to say, hold on. It's just getting started. Okay. She must be an airhead, y'all. Hold on, I'm gonna hold off on my comments because maybe it's not gonna go the way I'm thinking it's gonna go. I'm thinking she's saying perjury. He lied to get with her. Okay, now perjury, from my understanding, is when you lie under oath. You understand what I'm saying? But let's let the video play.
Well, you can't say. Listen, he has the right to put whatever is in the answer.
I'm not saying he can't, but
you can't add another count because you don't like or you disagree with what is in his answer.
if he responds and his response is a lie, it's perjury, then my documents will prove that he lied in his response.
No. It's his.
You gotta love Karen telling the judge the law. Generally, not a good idea. Okay.
First of all, do you understand what perjury is?
Yes, I understand perjury is a lie. I know what perjury.
Y'all, he just turned up. Man, the judge just turned up, man. The judge is black. I ain't realized this whole time. Is that a Judge Herman Marable Jr.? Judge Herman Marable Jr. He about to turn up is what it sounds like. He from the school here, y'all. Let's see. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. That Cashapp is Sheldon Vybez 903 for the ones who really fornicate with me the long way. Send me $1, send me $10, 1,000, 5 racks, whatever you got, whatever Lord bless your heart to bless me with. You understand what I'm saying? Let's get into this.
Perjury is a statement, a false statement made under oath. So what statement did he make under oath?
I thought that was right. I thought I was correct.
Documents that prove he was lying.
You don't understand. It's a false statement made under oath.
She's not even trying to listen. People, this drives me up a wall when people sit here and try to talk to you about some ignorant BS. You have the correct answer and you are trying to give it to them, but they are so stuck in they bullshit. They ain't trying to hear you. They ain't even listening. And he telling her what perjury is with her stupid, goofy ass. She don't even know what perjury is. And she's trying to use big words like the judge was doing just a moment ago. She's trying to use big words. She don't know what the hell she talking about. So she probably didn't even know what the hell he was talking about when he was talking about an equitable action or whatever. You know what I'm saying? He need to. I was always taught in some of my classes, some of my professors said you have to dumb down your vocabulary when you're trying to speak to a certain audience. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes you just have to do that. Yeah, I know big words, but I ain't finna sit here and hit y'all with some T.I. shit, you know what I'm saying? No. I want y'all to capture what I'm trying to give to y'all. I ain't finna use no big words to do it. You understand what I'm saying?
Oh,
That stated a
when did he
lie.
testify to something that he lied about? It's a false statement made under oath.
Bottom line is, you said it's a criminal offense, so I will send it to circuit court. Are we done here?
No, you don't understand, ma'am. You don't
Are we
understand.
done here? Are we done here?
Perjury
done here?
is
I know
perjury
exactly what
is
perjury
a
means.
false.
So she's gonna dismiss the court. Ain't that contempt? When if she in this call, wouldn't that be contempt or something like she didn't show up for court or some type shit? Wouldn't it be? Y'all let me know in the comment section.
Know exactly what perjury means. I know what perjury means.
She know what perjury means, y'all.
Criminal offense or not?
What statement? I don't see anything in the complaint that says he made some false statement under oath.
Because you don't know what happened. You're on the outside looking in. You don't know anything.
But you're the plaintiff. Wait a minute. You are the plaintiff.
Bruh just sitting there eating this shit up. He just letting this shit fall apart in her face, and he just loving this shit because, first of all, this is goofy as hell. Why you take this man to court over a bad date? Man, motherfuckers be doing the most, man. It says, dude, is just, as soon as I speak on it, that's crazy. I swear, I do not watch these videos at all. I do not watch these videos, and if I do, I let y'all know. Soon as I start speaking on it, they spoke on it. It says, dude is just like, whoo. I'm just standing mute and letting her go ballistic on the judge. You go, girl.
Are we done here?
You have to lay out your allegations properly.
Are we done here?
No,
I
we're
know
not.
exactly what perjury means.
No, we're
Do
not.
not insult my intelligence.
You have to
Do not insult my
You have
intelligence.
to lay your.
Please do
You
not
have to
insult my
lay
intelligence.
your complaint out. You have to allege this in the complaint. You have.
Oh
not.
my gosh.
Do not insult my intelligence.
Oh my God, this is not for real. She really is a goofball.
You don't think? I don't think you understand what perjury is. It's a false statement made under
Are we
oath.
done here? Are we done here?
Are we done
said
here?
Do
no.
not insult my intelligence.
I said no.
Do not do that. Do not do that. Do not insult my intelligence as if I do not understand what the word perjury means.
Whoo, perjury. Oh
Do
my
not.
God.
If it's a criminal offense, then it's a criminal offense.
Well, ma'am,
Did
it
be-
should not have been filed in district court if you want
we done
intentional
here?
infliction of emotional distress.
Okay.
Bro went on a date with this right here, and she suing. It sounds like he need to be suing, man. I bet that date was bad. I bet it was bad, man, and not on his behalf. Whoo, God.
So that's a criminal offense.
Are you going to dismiss it and refile it?
No,
in
I'm
circuit?
not. No, I'm not going to dismiss it. I will file another case in circuit. But as far as I'm concerned,
You can't
no, it
have
will
two
not be
cases on the
dismissed.
ma'am. You can't have two cases going on the same issue.
Well, I'm not dismissing the case.
She don't know what the hell. Don't insult their intelligence by explaining court procedure to her judge. Oh, wow, man.
If you want
Well,
to
I tell
dismiss
you
it,
what.
that's up to you. But I, as a plaintiff, am not dismissing the case.
He has to make a proper motion,
Well, that's on him.
but I can also transfer the venue to circuit.
Yes, that's what I thought, because there were other cases that should have been transferred somewhere else. So that's okay.
Oh, God.
I'm going to do that. Give me the form.
Are we done here?
Ma'am, what about his costs associated with appearing because you filed it in the wrong court?
I need to see because I was not aware, since you said perjury was not on there, I was not aware that a criminal offense for intentional infliction of emotional distress was considered a criminal offense there, that it had to be
I didn't say
brought
that.
forward.
That is not what I said.
Yes,
That is not what I said.
That
I
is what you
said
said.
that Sir, no, I didn't. You
Yes,
said
you did.
that.
You stated
I
that.
said that circuit.
You stated that the criminal. You stated that emotional infliction of emotional distress is a criminal offense, and you stated that.
Let me move myself out the way. They just said what I spoke about a moment ago. Look at that. It says, poor guy. Can you imagine what that date was like? Yeah, man. Yo, you can only imagine.
Perjury is a criminal offense, but you also stated that perjury is not on the document that I placed forth before you. So criminal offense would not.
It's not in the
even be
complaint.
on there.
It's not in the
So
complaint.
I need you to show me. I need you to show me.
I thought she was finna say, I need you to shut up. Damn, she a few seconds from it here.
The document which states that intentional infliction of emotional distress is indeed and in fact a criminal offense, because that's the original offense that was placed on there.
I never said that. I never said that.
Yes, you did.
I never said that.
Yes, you did.
No, I did not. Ma'am,
Yes, you did.
Listen. I'm not going to sit here and go back and forth with you. I will repeat to you what I said.
I'm not either.
I said
so that's two
that
charges.
intentional. You need to be quiet while I'm talking. You need to be quiet. Mute. Can you mute her, please?
Because perjury.
Y'all see that? It said, please like, sub, and share. That's for me. I know that's their video, but that's for me too. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. You dig what I mean? I need to get my subscribers count up on this channel as well. Help me get to 1,000 subscribers right now. You know what I'm saying? Help me get to 1,000 subscribers. We are a little under 300 right now. You know what I'm saying? So help me get to 1,000 subscribers. Yes, indeed. That Cashapp waiting on you. Sheldon Vybez 903. $1 ain't gonna hurt you. Appreciate you. Love you.
The criminal offense has to go to circuit court.
That will not make her hear you.
Intentional infliction of emotional distress.
What I said was intentional infliction of emotional distress is something that circuit court has jurisdiction over.
That's what he said.
I never characterized that as a criminal matter. It is definitely a civil claim, but it is something that can't be done in district court. Now, that's what I said to you. You are of the mistaken belief that circuit court does not hear.
Okay, it says she's going so Karen that she doesn't even have a clue that she was muted a minute ago. So that means she's running her yappers right now and ain't even listening to what the judge saying, man. God, dog, like, imagine what a relationship with this woman is like. Hell no. Too combative. I couldn't deal with that one.
Civil matter.
He ain't said a word. Bro ain't said much or nothing since the video started, since I think probably a minute in.
Matters. Because you said, well, I thought circuit court only.
She going off.
Criminal. You are the one who are mistaken about the jurisdiction of circuit court, because that's what you stated on the record.
Still yammering away. Not how to handle oneself in court. Wow. This sad right here. This sad. Man.
She's been talking the entire time.
Well, I said I was muted.
Judge, excuse me. I don't understand.
Look, oh my God, bro. Look at her. Y'all see this? I think she just realized that she was probably muted. I think she just realized it.
And how this works, let me explain something to you about Zoom right quick.
Okay.
When I muted her and now I'm asking her to unmute, if she doesn't do something on her end, she's still muted. So right.
She ain't paying attention to nothing nobody's saying. at all. She don't give a damn. This her world. The world revolves around her. Hell no, man.
Now she's still muted.
She don't even realize she
I
muted.
have asked her to unmute. She's not looking at the device that she's holding.
Just going off. Just going off.
I am ordering that this go to.
So you choose to return your rental car during hearing for the case you are bringing. So you choose to return your rental car during the hearing for the case you are bringing. Oh, I don't even know what the case about at this point. If it's about a rental car, what?
Seventh Circuit Court. Venue is to be changed because intentional infliction of emotion.
Where'd she go? Where'd she go?
She's not looking at the device
They
that
dismissed
she's
her.
holding.
I am ordering that this go to Seventh Circuit Court. Venue is to be changed because intentional infliction of emotional distress is a circuit court matter outside the jurisdiction of district court. Plaintiff shall pay the filing fees in the receiving
Sad,
court.
man.
And I don't know if you asked for a jury trial or not. You did not, it looks like. So there was no jury fee. No further proceedings shall be had after
Probably a good thing it's not a jury trial because it's hard to believe any jury would be sympathetic to her based on watching this performance.
transfer until these costs or expenses are paid. If not paid within 56 days of the date of this order, this case shall be dismissed by the court to
Hold on, what happened?
court. Venue is to be changed because intentional infliction of emotional distress is a circuit court matter outside the jurisdiction of district court. Plaintiff shall pay the filing fees in the receiving court.
She don't even know it yet.
I don't know if you asked for a jury trial or not. You did not, it looks like. So there was no jury fee. No further proceedings shall be had after transfer until these costs or expenses are paid. If not paid within 56 days of the date of this order, this case shall be dismissed by the court to which it was transferred. I'm looking here.
Sheldon, little bootleg ass studio.
It's safe to say that case will be dismissed because she ain't finna pay that man shit. You know what I'm saying? She ain't finna pay that man nothing. You know what I'm saying? Whew, she was a piece of work. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. If you vibed all the way out and to this point, I really do appreciate you. Make sure you hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. My main channel is in the description as well. Make sure you subscribe to that channel if you ain't subscribed to that channel, because I have 2 channels now. For the ones who are new and don't know nothing about Sheldon Vybez, you just ran across Vybez TV, Sheldon Vybez. I have a main channel in the description. Show me some love on the channel as well. Until next time, I'm gonna need y'all to be cool like the other side of the pillow. Stay light on your toes like you're supposed. Oh, and
If you ain't fucking with my nigga Sheldon, nigga, fuck you. Yeah.
oh God.